So I just finished downloading it and I clicked on the show in folder, so I'm looking at my Belarc installer here. So I should see an advisor installer.exe. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to double click on this and you should get a little prompt for user account control prompting you, do you want to allow the following program to continue to, or not continue, to make changes to this computer. I'm going to go ahead and click yes. And then the little wizard thing pops up here. And then we get a little news thing here that says that there's a free Belarc security advisor for your Android phone or tablet. I'll just click OK to that, and then I get the license agreement. I'll go ahead and click OK, or I agree if I agree to this. And then I get the welcome to the Belarc Advisor Setup Program. I'll go ahead and click Install. And again, because it's a very small program, it will install very quickly. So what it's asking here is if we want to update the definition files. So down here is a little details area that kind of gives you a little bit more background of what that exactly means. It says the installed security definitions are version 2014.6.14.1. It says try to keep the definitions up to date for accurate reporting of missing security updates. So this does kind of help make the reports a little bit accurate because there's new hardware that comes out all the time. So this will help make sure that this stays up to date. So I'll go ahead and click yes to this so that it can update the definition files. So it says your advisor security definitions are up to date. I'll go ahead and click OK. And now this is where it starts to create a profile of this computer. So this actually takes a little while to do. Once the Belarc report is completely installed and the profile is done created, this is what you should see. It kind of looks like a web page. It's not actually out on the web because if we look up here at the address, it has file:3/, and it's actually pointing to my C drive. It's in program files x86 in a directory called Belarc and another directory called Belarc Advisor System Temp. So if we actually navigate out there, we can find it on our hard drive if we wanted to. So it was in program files x86 in Belarc Advisor, and I believe this is it right here. So if we wanted to, we could, well, it's in the system directory and in temp, and there it is right there. So if we wanted to, we could back this up. We could grab all of this, right click, copy, and then paste this onto our backup hard drive if we wanted to. We could also go in here and we could print this as a PDF. So this is personally the way that I like to do it. I like to just print this, and when I have a hard copy, I'm able to highlight things and cross things off as I get it reinstalled if I have to do a system reformat. It's basically handy to be able to write on this, especially when you know you're going to reformat your system, you're not going to have Acrobat installed. So I'll print it as a PDF, back it up to my hard drive, and then print the PDF into a hard copy.